I was recently in Sikkim and I visited quite a number of Buddhist monasteries. In almost all of them, they have a central statue of the Buddha, which is usually humongous. And surrounding the statue, beneath the statue, there is a lot of different kind of art. Now, one form of art that actually stands out, at least to me, is one which is interpreted like a demon. So those art forms will get interpreted in the form of demons. What do you think that represents? I think what it represents is that these demons, these negativities, are in fact an integral part of even the Buddha. If you see in a lot of different monasteries, the tallest statue of the Buddha actually has these demons as the supporting pillars, almost as if the symbolism is that these negativities, these demons are holding the Buddha in place, are the bedrock on top of which the Buddha is formed. I think that is very, very meaningful, because if you integrate your darknesses, if you integrate your negativities, if you integrate your shadow, you too can become enlightened, you too can become the Buddha. And I think that is the core teaching that is represented even by these syllables: Om Mani Padme